Good. Jack 10, 10. Jack 10, 10.
Holy shit. You alright?
Yo, certified HUD stars enforcing the men. Jacobs endorsing the deals. We got the coop full of krills. We shoot more than Shaquille. This ain't Buffalo, but my hood stay with the Bills. I'm with it down from Brazil. Them chicks I'm raising ain't hormones. The feds, man, we move.
Alright, we're running. Made it to the foot of the driveway. I don't know how to shift this thing. What gear is this? Oh, that's reverse. Found reverse. Alright. Oh, we're out of the driveway. Clutch works. Brakes are here. Oh, we're moving. We're driving, baby. I hear some noise. Seems to be related to driveline. Oop, oop. Oh, yeah, went up into second, I think. Gotta pump the brakes to get them to work. Real rattly. Thing's just loud as all hell. Yeah! We're doing it, baby! Alright, stop sign coming up. Let's start pumping the brakes. Pump the brakes! Actually, it kind of stops on its own pretty well. You can just coast to a stop. Really don't feel like I'm in much danger. But just 2 or 3 pumps on the pedal and the brakes come back. Ooh, something just popped. Alright. Oh, that's reverse. I keep forgetting where reverse is. So, I'm at the storage unit now. I just pulled the Z out of here. And today is the day that we do Harry's clutch and the Integra. So he's got a stage 3 eBay clutch we're putting in it. And then he's got a new set of synchronizers that we're gonna tear the transmission apart and address the grinding between second and third gear. So I think I hear him pulling up now. I'm gonna get this thing up on jacks and start pulling the tranny. This is Harry's daily driver. He's got to drive it home tonight.
You know what it is, baby?
Starting the night off right.
As always.
If this doesn't get done, it's definitely because taco time.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like you missed ratchet class in school, right?
Burn, dude.
Look at him, he doesn't even know.
Dumb idiot.
See, what's a class?
Hey, Harry. Stupid dumb idiot.
You're killing it, bro. About 2 hours in. And Harry's been the only one working the whole time. We've just been hanging out drinking beers.
Yeah, I've had lots of beer though, so it's great.
And y'all are going to have to set it down once it's free.
Yeah,
so keep in mind you need like...
It's happening.
Going real time.
Dude, this hand's going right underneath the bottom of it. You know that, right?
My hand?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I gotta like move it up. Well, where do you want me to grab from? Hold on.
I don't know.
Alright, ready?
No, either.
We'll figure it out.
Come on, baby, get after it.
One more bolt,
Go ahead, put your back into it.
Oh,
Yeah!
shit, baby.
Oh boy, y'all ready for this, dude? I feel like y'all don't have enough support on the back, on the firewall side. That's where all the weight's gonna be. That's where the differential is.
And I'm the one fucking back here doing
Dude, Harry, stop acting like you're not strong enough for this. You're gonna be fine, dude.
Yeah, we'll fucking find out
Quit
here.
being a
Weighs like
weenie.
10 pounds.
I'm just saying.
I mean, I'm pretty under it whenever I hit it.
Hand crush because this thing's gonna come down too fast. I just don't want anyone to get hurt, dude.
Where do you even want Jackson
I don't want to
go?
get hurt. For real.
Here we go.
Alright.
Alright, dropping her out now.
Come on, buddy.
This thing fucking feels so heavy.
It's not going to be that heavy.
Alright, here we go. You ready?
Yep, let's do it.
Knock it off the dowels. It's gonna
Yeah,
hit the
go ahead.
pressure plate before it comes all the way down. What the fuck? What's stuck on the other side?
Oh no.
Hey, do you see it stuck back there by the diff? We're stuck like Chuck.
No.
Okay. Alright, on my side. This thing is so loose. You guys hanging in there?
Yeah, this is the fucking workout.
It's definitely just stuck in the clutch. Fuck. Keep wiggling it, dude.
I want to drink a little bit of beer real quick.
Okay. Hey, while you're up there, hand me a 12. I don't want this so tight.
There you go.
Just set it down.
That's a regular wrench. It's not like it's easy.
Well, things are happening when you're doing that, man.
You okay?
I don't know. It just feels like it's coming further out every time you do that.
Jack 10, 10. Jack 10, 10.
Holy shit!
You alright? I'm alright. Come on, I told you. That thing
He said it, dude. He said
I
it.
fucking told you.
That shield's rolling
Wow.
I fucking told
Jackson
you. I was
almost
like, hey, I don't
died,
like this. I want somebody else here. Things are happening.
Yeah, Jackson just
I almost died. Jesus, I almost got my arm fucking lopped off.
See, that chain's not that heavy. Look at Harry's pulling it out by himself. Sounds kind of heavy though.
It's heavier than I expected. Like, when we were lifting it up, I was like, fuck.
Definitely, yeah. This
Gosh,
is
you. Yeah, I was that fucking shield the whole time. Well, damn, everybody learned something?
Yeah,
Me too.
I learned definitely be down there with Jackson.
Jackson, you need therapy.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
have PTSD.
You're fine.
Oh my god.
Shit, just like in this video, the bearing is stuck in here.
Yeah, the same thing. We don't have anything to drop it on.
Dry rags, let's set all our pieces on those.
There it is, baby. Open transmission.
3 shafts, or 2 main shaft,
Yep.
secondary shaft, and the shift forks and everything. It's kind of hard to grab all at once. Will you, wait.
Something's holding
Oh,
it in,
wait,
it looks like.
There is something right here.
No. There's coming. They're all free.
You're right, you're
I
right.
think they're just kind of heavy.
Hold the casing.
Harry, get a hand up on the top of this shaft here. I think we're just getting bound up. There it is. Yeah. All right, you can let go now. I think I got everything. Move that bearing, Jackson.
Fucking.
All right. And then this.
There it
is
is,
the shift fork
baby.
that goes right. Whoa. All right, nobody move. Nobody breathe.
I'll just put it in piece by piece and I'll try to put it all together.
Shut the fuck up, Harry. I hate you.
You.
Just trying to put it in piece by piece.
Yeah, because that's gonna happen.
So so this is, we're not doing it.
No, that's first.
So we can remove the
that's
forks.
First and reverse.
Okay.
Synchro.
Stop. Just move that aside. So that's fine. All right, then here's what we're working with. And I'm just going to do it like this.
Yeah, I would take what we just fell off and then take off the rest. I think it's from right here, from third gear, and then pull it up.
Stop, you fucking little wiring, dude. Things no, don't touch them! There's method to the madness, okay? All right, so now we should just take,
Yeah.
should I grab the Syncro too or leave it?
Just leave it, and then we'll take those both out.
There you go. There you go.
All right, so you have you have a whole set of Syncros. so-
Yeah, you want?
All
Too
right,
bad
so
we're
I'll-
only doing this one.
Let me see. This is third.
Hold on, just leave it. Just leave it.
These we do not touch. No, that's fourth gear synchro.
And that comes out. And then this is the culprit right here.
Third gear.
It really doesn't look like much, dude. Spirits are low in the old Z cave. Sitting here at 12:20. Transmission is still out of the car. And everyone gets to work tomorrow. And that tranny has to go in that car. Is it gonna happen, Jackson? Jackson says no. Matt says easy, yeah. Harry.
Fuck yeah.
Hopefully it comes together real fast after this.
Well, it's late. It's about 1:30, I think. We all got work at 7:30, so it's good. We tried. You know, we got the transmission back together, put in. Everything's good with that. CV axles are just totally screwed. The CV axle joints came apart on both axles when we took them out. We tried to put the pieces back together to slide them in so the car would move, and they totally are just bound up. Hopeless. We had a lot of work to do still for how late it is, but decided to call it a night.
We totally just, there's no point in proceeding when the axles just completely came apart. And even though I got them to slide back into their homes, they were just never right again. So,
anyway, we'll get some new CV axles hopefully tomorrow, and
we're going to spend more time doing this.
Finish up this weekend. You know?
Yeah.
We ran out of rags and hand wipes.
Oh, yeah.
It's totally fucked in here.
It was a tough night.
Yeah, it was a tough night.
It was a tough night.
Very defeated, but we're going to come
These things
back.
happen.
And I'm going to be towing the Z until this project's done, so I'll be plenty motivated to get it done.
The Z around everywhere.
Alright, well, we'll be back at it soon enough. So I'm back here at the storage unit with the Integra. It's Saturday now. We were up here till about 1:30 Friday night. Went to work this morning on like 3.5 hours of sleep. And now I'm up here again. We're gonna finish this thing tonight. We got some new CV axles because the old axles were trashed. And there's not that much to do, so here's hoping everything goes really smoothly. This car is kind of janky in a lot of ways. It's got brakes that aren't meant to be on it, and so there's like shimming that has to be done for the rotor and caliper clearance to all be right. So we got to get that figured out, but everything's here. I just got to put it all in the right places. Harry's going to be running a little late because he works a little later than I do tonight, and Matt's not going to be able to make it. So me and Harry are going to have to get this thing done, but there's not that much to do. We just got to put the new axle shafts in, put the suspension and brakes back together on both sides. And then there's one mount in the back that needs to be mounted up, and then the rest is just little shit, little speedo cable, reverse switch, and yeah, so hopefully everything just goes really well. See how that feels. Why are you tripping on third gear?
This doesn't feel like it's going in.
Sounds like it's going in.
Oh.
Start it up, see if it'll engage. Straighten your wheels before you do too much. For some reason your wheel's on a block of wood. I'm not really sure what happened. Throw it in first, see how it feels. Uh-oh. Whoa. Dude, what is wrong? Shut the engine off. Something's weird. Something weird's going on. Ah, shit. So, I don't know what the hell Harry was doing, but we loosened up the clutch cable a little bit, and it started going in and out of gear just fine. So, let's see if it's a Harry problem or a car problem. Dude, what? Why are you shifting so weird, bro?
Demonstrate was like immediately right when you fucking
Yeah. Ooh. Ooh.
bottom out.
Does that happen often?
Yeah. That low life.
Well, we're moving. I don't hear anything crazy yet.
Yeah, me neither.
We won't really know about that 2-3 scratch until you break it in, right?
Yeah.
You have to do it.
I gotta do it above $4,000.
The seatbelt doesn't work? Oh, it's a fucking harness.
I got a new one.
What the?
Because this one's broken.
Wait, so I don't have a seatbelt?
No.
Ah, I don't want to die.
I'll just.
Yeah, just put yours on.
There we go. It's not connected, so I'm gonna die too.
Okay, good.
Damn, it's like immediate. I'm so used. My clutch pedal used to be like it's all the way down, and then it would catch gear, and then I was like off the pedal. Now
Yeah.
it's like caught gear, and then I have like that much room. Oh damn! I want to fucking rip it.
Hell yeah. I mean, don't.
I'm not.
But I'm excited that it's driving.
I know
Okay.
for real, yeah.
Cool, man. I'm calling that good. Man, I'm dying to know if it's gonna do that scratch.
I know. I am too.
Can you do the shift without being like full load? Like just go up higher RPMs? Does it do it then?
Let me try.
Does it normally do it there? I mean, yeah. That's probably burned in your brain every time it's gonna do it.
Yeah.
So you like it? Think we fixed it?
I do.
Hell yeah. Fuck yeah, baby. Teggy's ready for some boost.